So you're thinking about getting a trash bag holder for your camping trip, and trying to figure out which is the best holder for you. Great. You're in the right place. We spoke to many campers to find out which type of waste containment system will provide you with the best experience. In this video, we will highlight features that will let you manage trash like a pro. In the end, we will present a solution that has made managing trash when camping super easy for me and my friends. So, let's start. The features to consider are size, functionality, versatility, and finally, durability. I left out the cost because that depends on you. So, let's see how the size affects the way you use a waste container. A holder must be compact and lightweight because it has to fit in your car with your must-have camping gear. The size also controls the capacity of trash it can hold. A smaller bin will need frequent emptying. The required bag size needed to fit the holder is often overlooked. If you get the wrong size, your bag will either not fit over the mouth, or it may fall in with the trash. A little planning will prevent you from running out of bags that fit them. And the last benefit of being compact means the holder can be easily stored out of the way when not in use, and does not take up valuable floor space like traditional bulky trash containers. The next feature is functionality. The assembly and use of the product are analyzed here. If a holder is made up of separate parts, can it be assembled easily and without instructions? And how fast can it be put together or taken apart? The problem happens when we need to change and remove full bags. They get stuck, and pulling them out is hard. It is normal for bags to rip and tear when pulling them out, spilling trash out. Next is stability. A strong wind, pets and kids playing can knock over trash cans that sit on the ground. Some holders have anchor tags to stop your waste basket from falling over. When placed on a slope, a strong wind can easily topple outdoor containers and spread trash all over. That's more work we just don't need. Now let's talk about bugs and pests. Besides flies, animals like raccoons and bears are attracted to smell. A lid reduces the odor and keeps bugs out of your trash. As you know, wild animals, like our inquisitive pets, think garbage is a treat. A hanging trash bag holder keeps waste out of reach, while still being accessible for easy disposal. It makes sense to know the wildlife present in your camping zone, to prevent any accidents. The next feature is versatility. Can the holder be used for any other jobs? Does its size, weight, and design allow it to be used for something else? The last feature we look for is durability. A tough, well-built bag holder should not break on the job. Pop-up containers are tough, but they can get ripped or cut. If the holder breaks with trash inside it, that will create more work. These are the important features to consider before you make your decision. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe or like this video to get more waste management news and product updates. And finally, as promised, here is my recommendation. It's Baggies, a patented trash bag holder, and it's great. We chose Baggies because it provides campers with all the features important to them. When folded, it's as compact as a coat hanger, so storage and portability is not a problem. Its patented design and solid steel frame makes it super durable and tough. It can easily hold heavy bags, up to 55 pounds. A hanging trash can is hard to knock over. To test if this is true, I kicked it, and Baggies still stayed put. Any effort or struggle to free heavy bags is gone. Simply pull off the clips, and your bags are free. Being light and portable makes Baggies one of the most versatile holders available. From camping to picnics, yard waste, leaf and litter cleanup, to tailgate events, or parties. To stop flies, and reduce odors, you can even open or close the opening of the bag, that does the same job as a lid. Baggies makes disposing of waste easy. You can find the link below. And again, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe.